Another massive oil price hike is expected between March 15 to 21, 2022, marking the 11th straight week of fuel price increases this year. In its fuel price forecast released on Saturday, Unioil Petroleum Philippines said diesel costs may increase by 12 pesos and 20 centavos to 12 pesos and 30 centavos per liter, while gasoline prices may shoot up by 6 pesos and 80 centavos to 7 pesos per liter for the said period. Meanwhile, the Department of Energy in its briefing with the Senate this Monday explained that due to the estimated impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict on domestic pump prices, gasoline could hit as high as 86 pesos and 72 cents per liter and diesel up to 81 pesos and 10 cents per liter should Dubai prices reach $140 per barrel. With this, public utility drivers in Cebu have been calling for an increase in the minimum fare as they have barely any profit to bring home to their families. Such is the case of 𝗱𝗶𝗴𝗶 𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃, a resident of Dumanhog who still has 2 young children.
Bayad kayo kay ni mahal ang gasolina, ni mahal ang krudo, niya plitihan, mawalang gyapon. Halos wa namin mauli sa mga pamilya. Gwanta lang yan usawa mo man trabaho.
Aside from fuel, he also has to pay the daily rental of his jeepney worth 800 pesos.
Maul man gyapon, nya ugma masaka na sa 𝗳𝗳𝗃. Samot na kita ni, murag mamahuwan lang kita ni padong na koy.
Meanwhile, prices of several vegetables have also started to increase in public markets, bringing more burden to everyday consumers.
Ang saka karon ang green bell raw red bell. Mura yung saka. Bali, kuwan lang sa last time 100 kapin niya, karon 360 na.
On the other hand, Councilor Renato Osmeña Jr., chairperson for the Committee on Market, delivered a privileged speech during the regular council session last week, airing his concern on the economic impact of the non-stop oil price hike. The council recommended to the Office of the President to conduct economic measures such as the reduction or suspension of the oil tax, including the excise tax. They also called on Mayor Michael Rama to hold an economic conference to adapt mitigating measures against the crisis and monitor the prices of commodities to ensure that there would be no overpricing or market manipulation by opportunistic entities. They also urged the national government to provide financial assistance or cash subsidies to affected sectors under the Bayanihan Act. With Sheriza Mae Uy, this has been Andrea Pateña-Matheu for MyTV Cebu.